Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, and today we are working on the 39 Mercury that we've been calling the Jersey Devil. We got the exhaust all built, or I got the exhaust built, and it was a huge victory because now we can hear how sweet that hopped up flathead sounds in the car, and it is one step closer to being a real car. So the last big thing really to take this thing like around the block, just for a shakedown cruise, if you will, is to get some brakes on the car. So the car, at probably one of the last times it was driven, just before that, it had a bunch of service done. We could see underneath the car that there is a bunch of newer parts on it. Some brake lines were replaced, some fuel lines were patched, some bunch of different stuff was done. But obviously the car sat for quite a long time in that building, even though it was probably around the late 80s, early 90s. That was quite a while ago. The brake parts, a lot of the brake parts are already bad from sitting, so the rubber hoses are dry rotted, the wheel cylinders are stuck. A couple of the wheels were really stuck when we drug that thing out, if you remember. And master cylinder obviously needs to be either rebuilt or replaced, all that stuff. So we're going to go through the whole braking system, get that pretty much all the wear items replaced. Put some new brake lines. There was a bunch of new brake lines put in, but not all of them were replaced. So we're going to replace the couple of brake lines that they did not replace, the hard lines, and try and get this braking system working again. And while we're at it, I got some brand new tires in the mail. Everybody's been yelling at me to put white walls on this thing. We know, just was waiting for the right time to order them before we're all set. So I got a fresh set of wide white walls sitting here. So while we have the wheels off, we're going to clean up the wheels, paint them, put some new wide whites on this thing, and then we're going to set it down with brakes, and hopefully we will have this thing ready to move around on its own power with brakes. So let's get moving. So we found the reason why this car was hard to pull in and out of the shop. Go ahead and see if you can give that a turn. Holy crap. I'd say that wheel cylinder is probably stuck.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't helping things. I know one of the rear ones was like that too. All right, well, pull the hubcaps off and
Yep.
zip them off. Car had brand new tires on it. All the tires, the tread is like brand new. It's just that a lot of them are dry rotted really badly. This one actually isn't too bad. We could probably use it as a roller. I'm gonna keep it around. This one, just to roll a car around, wouldn't work too bad. But they need to be replaced for actual driving on the street. Oh, this wheel's stuck too. I think this is the one that was fighting us when we were pulling it out. Yeah. Sitting in a damp garage with a sand floor. Yeah. We'll do that.
Right. Down in nice, humid New Jersey.
Yeah. All right, here you go.
Oh, good.
The tires are like brand new.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, kind of a shame. Used the drum puller to pull that. We missed the shot, but that was no big deal. It came off so easy. Everything on this, we already pulled the other side apart. It's like brand new shoes on it. The wheel cylinder is probably new. The inside of the drum looks like it was all cleaned up. It's not rusty or anything. And somebody probably turned it at some point, but it's not anything majorly wrong with it. So we should be able to just throw wheel cylinders in this and clean out the inside, clean the drum a little bit, and take the ridge off and throw her back together.
Excellent. It's hitting the axle.
Huh? It means you're not on straight. It means you didn't hit the keyway.
Oh.
When you don't hit the keyway, it pushes it out of the it pushes it out of the way. So what I usually do is I eyeball the keyway like that.
Oh, look at you. One shot.
That's because
Now you're just showing off.
I just got my early Ford Jedi back.
Showing off.
Yeah, I usually squint down the snout, and you can see the keyway, and then you line it up with the with the key. And whoop. That's all right. We'll get there.
Pump it up again.
Yeah. Waiting for the pedal to come back.
Oh, still waiting on that.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
after you bleed it, it takes a little longer, but it's getting. I mean, I'm getting a little bit of pressure now.
Oh, okay, cool.
So it's not.
Cool.
Now, are both the rear drums like adjusted enough that they're kind of dragging?
The left one is, the right one was looser, but I could feel the brakes working while you were
Okay.
you were pumping it.
Was it really loose, or are they?
No, not really loose.
Okay. Yeah, we just may want to. We may have to adjust
All right, yeah.
the rears up. It's fine for now. Just.
This doesn't hurt my back.
Surprisingly, I have a pedal.
Alright, holding.
Okay.
Got a bunch of fluid out that time.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, Steve. Let's see how she sits.
Down.
Oh.
That looks as good as I thought it would.
Yeah. That's pretty awesome.
Straight back. Plenty of room. Straight. You're good. Woohoo!
Brakes! You got brakes!
Dude, those white walls are so bright. Someone's gotta.
Well, it didn't warm up yet either. Alright, so got the brakes done, got our fresh white walls on, we threw our flipper caps on, and we had to, you guys know the deal, we had to take it around the block, see what the exhaust sounds like, and just drive it so that we can just, you know, finally get moving this thing under its own power, which is awesome. We didn't really get it to warm up. It's still kind of cold out. It's probably like 39, 40 degrees maybe today. So it didn't even really fully warm up, but we took around the block, and as we were driving it, it was getting better. But as always, we noticed a bunch of things that we still need to go back over. The clutch needs to be adjusted a little bit. Probably gonna have to go back and adjust the brakes just a little more to get it all dialed in, but it actually drove pretty well. There was no major drama with driving it around, and it sounds awesome, it looks cool, and I can't believe that the Mercury is living again, which is really, really awesome. So we have, for the next video, what we're probably gonna work on is just a little bit of visual changes. I know the headlights suck. We have the stuff to change the headlights. We're gonna work on that, and the skirts and a couple of other things just to dress it up a little bit more. And of course, we'll probably finally give the thing a bath, which will be really nice. So thank you guys for following along. Really appreciate it. Let me know what you think of the Mercury with everything all set up now and the sound of it with it finally outside. Thanks, guys. Catch you later.